here to cooperate right now. Hi everyone, so today I have another review and it's from Divasis. So this is the box that the hair came in. I really like it. The design is nice. So I'm just gonna take out and show you guys what came in this box. They provided this brochure and talks about how to use wig or hair, how to wash and care for the wig, and facts about product usage. They have return and refund here. They also have a cashback rewards talking about the likes and views and how much you could get paid, which is nice. A head tie, an edge brush with the brush on one side and the comb on the other side, 2 wig caps, and in each comes with 2 caps. And lastly, this cute little pouch. This will definitely be a pouch I'll use to go traveling or somewhere with. Like, it's super cute. Okay, get a headband. Also get another headband in this color. This is the hairline at the side. As you could see, the hairline is really nice. So for this wig is a 13 by 4 wig. It is in the length 18 inches and it's in the texture curly. I have to check, but I'm not sure of the density right now. So inside the wig we get 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the center, and we also get 1 comb at the back with some lace at the back. And they have some hooks here where you could attach a band to the wig. So this is it for extra security to attach the band, but I'm not seeing a band that came with my box, so yeah. Okay, so I just have the wig on top, and then now I'm just gonna apply. First I'm gonna apply the Got to Be Glued. So I'm gonna just get a wet rag and clean around the hairline and then come back. Okay, I want y'all to appreciate my makeup today. I decided to try something different first time. I'm doing no lashes, no eyeliner. This is my very first time doing that and I look so good. This might be a go-to. For real. Okay, so let me just take this off. I tied this shit tight as hell, y'all. I know y'all just saw that. I know y'all just saw that. I know for a fact y'all saw that. Before I get into styling, I'm already gonna discuss one thing I do not like. This is supposed to be an 18-inch wig, y'all, so look at the length here. And then they have the frontal like about a 10-inch length, which has me like, what? And I'm pretty sure this wig costs money, but it's just like the short hairs at the front like this. I mean, you could kind of do something with it, I guess, but before we start, we're gonna have to do some baby hairs today. Something ain't looking right though to me. Okay, now for the hairstyle, I really find the front layer is too short, y'all. I don't know, man. I don't know what hairstyle I want to do, y'all. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know what hairstyle I want to do. Could I do something like this? This is cute. I'm really trying to get this hair to cooperate right now. I'm filming, guys, but maybe I'll do something like this. But I was trying to do like some curly bangs, but it's not doing what I wanted to do. Oh, like probably pin it like this. Yeah. Like a messy curly look. It's so natural. I like it. But let's, y'all, I don't know, I just find it looks a little lopsided though. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have to say, I was not expecting this hair to come out this good, because as you guys could see, the bangs at, not bangs, but the hair at the front, the lace frontal itself, it is short. It's like about 10 to 12 inches. Me just eyeballing it, that was basically the length. But the hair is a 18-inch wig, so the lace, it's HD lace, which I really like, so it blends in really good on my skin tone. But let me just start by getting into pros and cons of this wig, y'all. For the pros, the shipping didn't take that long. Onyx Pro is the HD lace. The hair blends in so well on my skin tone. I mean, the lace blends in so well on my skin tone. Another pro is the hair is soft. Onyx Pro is I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. Another pro is I'd say this wig is big head friendly. It fits really good on my head. Another pro is what's another pro I have for this hair? The curl pattern, it's so pretty. I really like this hair. Oh yeah, another pro is the hairline is pre-plucked, so I did not pluck the hairline one bit. This is just all from straight out of the box, just me styling the hair. So that's another pro with this wig. The hairline itself, it's really nice. Now let's get into the cons. My one and my only con is the length of this hair in the frontal. If I'm buying an 18-inch wig, I'd expect that the length of the hair throughout the wig would at least be 18-inch. Like, even if the frontal is not an 18-inch, at least be like a 14-inch. But like I showed you guys, the length of the hair at the front, it's very short. It's approximately about 10 inches to 12 inches, no more than that. That is the only thing I did not like about this wig, but obviously I finessed it like I usually finesse everything in life. You know, that's me, always a finesser. Finesse life. But that's the only con I have to say about this wig. Other than that, it's the perfect buy. The texture, how soft it is. Also, I forgot to mention that I did the watercolor method to darken it with jet black hair dye, but I don't think it seemed to really do anything. I'm not sure. I don't know, it's still giving me like a brownish feel. I don't know, but that's basically it, y'all. Divasis, I'd like to say Divasis, thank you for sending me this wig. I really enjoyed doing this hair review. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Everything is really appreciated. It helps.
and stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys. Toodles.